J Drone here. What's going on, guys? Two throwback. We got the Bebop 1. We are going to be rocking with the Sky Controller 2, and we're using a iPhone SE. This is the best setup for this, I think. I'm showing I have 97% battery, and we're just gonna send this. We're gonna give you a little bit of a look at the quality of this. The Bebop 1 is definitely an underrated drone. A lot of people, I mean, right now $100. You can find these for like $100, and the camera's pretty dope on it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this branch out of my way. We have a little bit of wind here. Got a big bird up there. We're gonna go ahead and click take off, and she's up and drifting just a little bit. There she goes. Maintain her pace. Alright guys, here we go. I'm not going to jabber jaw throughout this entire flight. We went out just about a mile on this. The video on this uses electric image stabilization with little gimbals underneath it and an anti-vibration skid plate. That's the technology that's going into this camera. The camera is better than the Sparks camera. On paper, side by side, it's better. I have a video that we did a side-by-side comparison, and we showed why that this camera is better, and also on paper, it shows that it's better. In darker areas, like when we get over top of the Hills Have Eye area, we are going to go that far. We're going to go further than that. You'll notice a little bit of pixelation. The sun's setting. The only thing that this camera does not have on the Spark is the ability to handle darker situations, even though it's not going to look that dark. It kind of needs brighter light, unless you were to go into the settings and adjust them. But that's enough jabber-jawing for me. If you haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Questions, comments, concerns down below. $99. This is one of the best drones that you could get for $99. After we kind of leave the Hills Have Eyes area, which is almost directly in front of us, you'll notice that the camera kind of jerks to one side and then it stays stable again, and then as we kind of back trail, it kind of leans to the side and whatnot. That jerkiness is a heavy wind hitting it, and the EIS, electric image stabilization, not really catching it immediately. And when I decided to backpedal, the drone probably had no clue what I was doing, and that's kind of why we get a little bit of lean. But alright guys, so gonna pipe in some music, or turn up the music. If you haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Drone exclusive on Facebook, links down below. Join up, it's $1, support your boy.